Do you think fixing things is a necessary skill?
Absolutely. Mending is a vital life skill, epitomized by the proverb, "A stitch in time saves 9." It not only conserves time and energy but also avoids costly professional services. Mastering maintenance allows for economical, efficient fixes using locally available materials. Collaborative repairs with family. As the saying goes, many hands make light work, foster both unity and accomplishment. In essence, the ability to fix things is an indispensable skill, encapsulating the wisdom of, if you want something done right, do it yourself.
Contact Dr. N in England.